In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a crochet stitch that is relaxing and repetitive and has one of the funniest names I've heard in a while, the Drunken Granny Stitch. I just love the staggered look it creates. It's a fun twist on the classic granny and just as easy. And that's because it's a quick one-row repeat, so after you have that first couple of rows down, you can really go on autopilot with this one. So let me show you how easy it is. For the demo, I'm just going to use my Old Faithful weight 4 cotton yarn with a 4mm hook. But for the sample, I used a weight 5 acrylic yarn with a 5mm hook. The suggested hook size is an 8mm, but even with a 5mm, this 12 by 12 sample took maybe 15-20 minutes. I really fell in love with the colors of this yarn, and if you're wanting something where you're not dealing with color changes, I would recommend it. Plus, the colors just match so well with the gift my daughter made for me for Mother's Day. This is a paintbrush holder. Isn't it adorable? But I thought, well, when I'm not painting, I can always use it for my crochet hook. So Emily, if you're watching, thanks again. I love them so much. To work this stitch, you want to make a chain that is a multiple of 5 plus 4. For example, here I've done a chain of 20. That's 5 times 4. Plus 4 more, giving me 24. So typically a granny stitch is 3 double crochets together in the same stitch. For the drunken granny, you're doing 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. So starting in the 6th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, work 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. Now I'm just working into the regular front side of the chain. If you prefer, work into the back bump for a cleaner edge. The chain on the side here counts as a double crochet. To continue across, skip 4 chains and work the drunken granny into the 5th. Again, that's 3 doubles, chain 2, and 1 double. Continue across until you have 3 chains remaining. So we're skipping 4, drunken granny into the 5th, all the way across. And again, when you come to the end, you should see 3 remaining chains. Skip 2 and work a double crochet into the very last chain. Now I'm using one color here, and I recommend that if you're looking for something relaxing, but if you do want to create stripes with color changes, then this is a good time to do that using your preferred method. And now we're ready for the 1 row repeat. Chain 3 and turn, or if you prefer, do stacked singles. Just turn, going into the first stitch of the row, create a single crochet, working into the sidebar of the single, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. The chain 3 or the stacked singles serve as your first double crochet. And now for the rest of the row, you're going to work your drunken granny stitch into the chain 2 spaces across. Here's our first one, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Working into the chain 2 space, three doubles, chain 2, 1 double, all the way across. To complete your row here and throughout, work 1 double crochet into the very last stitch. Here it's the chain that we started with, and as you continue, it will either be in the top of your chain 3 or your stacked single crochets. And that's all there is to it. Just repeat row 2 until you complete your project. begin with a chain 3, stack singles, or whatever you prefer to use for the beginning of a row. And work your stitch. Plus 1 double crochet in the very last stitch at the end. To complete your project or put an edging on it, I would recommend a foundation border of single crochets. I worked 3 single crochets in the corners. You don't have a very distinct corner to work into, so I just kind of put it where I thought it fit. Now the top side does have a bit of a wave to it, so what I did to help straighten that out was I pretty much just skipped over the spaces in between the clusters. But I don't have a specific stitch count for you. I just kind of played with it to see what looked best with my yarn intention. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, a like is always appreciated. If you love one row repeats, then I have a video here that I think you're going to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.